How to turn on automatic call answering on Samsung. First thing you have to do is head over to your settings menu on your device. And once you land on your settings page, scroll down a bit until you find this option where it says accessibility. Tap on it. And once you land on the accessibility page, you're going to have to find something called interaction and dexterity. Just tap on it. And once you do that, here under interactions, you'll find the interaction control, answering calls, and ending calls. Tap on this. And once you get here, you have an option that says answer automatically. Just turn this one on. And here you can see, you can choose after how long you want to answer. So by default, it's 2 seconds. If you want to set this to 5 seconds or 10 seconds, you could do that as well. Or if you want, you could just add custom time. So let's say if I wanted to answer after 15 seconds, I'm going to tap on set. Now, if someone calls me, I don't have to do anything. It will answer itself after 15 seconds. That's how you turn on the automatic answering on Samsung. I hope this was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.